What's up everybody, babadees here, and today we are back at it again. We're going to be doing some crispy jerk wings, keeping it super quick, super easy, and we're going to be doing it in the good old-fashioned oven. What you're going to need is some foil paper, a baking pan, a trivet or cooling rack of some kind to elevate your wings. You're going to need chicken wings themselves, 1 to 2 pounds. You're going to need a larger mixing bowl to kind of mix all your ingredients together, some cornstarch, some vegetable oil, and my famous 416 Eglinton jerk blend. Make sure you go to the website to check that out. Now, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're new to this channel, hey, hello, what's up? And let's get started. Let's put our chicken wings inside. Let's cover them all up with oil. And at this point, I'm gonna put in a little cheesy commercial. Let's run it.
Eglinton jerk spice blend, full of spice, full of flavor. Watcha! Make sure you come check out babadees new Eglinton jerk spice blend. The flavors them come straight from Jamaican.
Let's make sure that we coat our wings all the way through. Continue mixing that all up. Just like that. And at this point, we're gonna go ahead and put in our cornstarch. Give it a nice little coating. We're just gonna give it a little toss. We don't wanna put too much cornstarch. We just wanna put just enough, just like that. Nice coated. You don't see clumps all over the place. And we're gonna go ahead and get our baking pan all ready. So we're gonna put in our foil paper. This is just really to protect our pan from all that grease or extra stuff that may be coming down from the chicken. And we're gonna go ahead and put in our little rack, coat it up. If you do have a PAM or some type of spray, you can go ahead and spray it with it. This is just to make sure your chicken wings do not stick. And we're gonna go ahead and lay our chicken wings down. We heat our oven to 425, and we're gonna put these guys in for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna reduce our heat down to 400 degrees for the additional 10 minutes. Just like that. So we'll give it that time to cook, and before you know it, you got a beautiful meal of crispy jerk chicken wings using my famous 416 Eglinton jerk blend. Make sure you go check them out on the website. You will not regret it, guaranteed. And most importantly, these wings are super crispy, super crispy. The flavor is not overwhelming with hotness. It's a nice, beautiful, amazing flavor that you're getting from the 416 Eglinton jerk blend. So give it a shot. I'm going to continue eating these. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below because I always respond to my comments. Take care.